That crackle, that is rendered fat, not seasoning. Most people bake chicken and still end up with skin that is soft in the middle and burnt at the edges. Let me show you a simple technique and easy steps. Start with your chicken, it must be bone dry, not just padded, dry all the way into the folds of skin. Any water sitting on the surface turns to steam the second it hits heat, and steam is what keeps skin soft. No moisture, nothing to steam. That is the whole game here. Now for the wrap, mix salt, oil and the rest of the ingredients. Measurements are in the description. The salt isn't just flavor sitting on top. It pulls moisture out of the meat first, dissolves into it, then gets pulled back in. That's a dry brine. You are seasoning the inside of the chicken, not just the skin. Rub it in, cover it and let it sit. 4 hours minimum. Overnight is the best option. The wrap needs time to work past the surface. Rush it and you are only seasoning the outside layer. While that is working, make the garlic butter. Mince the garlic and add it to the melted butter. Mix everything and set aside. Let the flavors melt together before it ever touches the chicken. Before it goes in the oven, pull the chicken out and let it come up to room temperature. Prepare a tray with parchment paper and rack. Lay chicken skin side up, not straight on the tray. Air needs to move underneath. Skin sitting flat on a tray steams itself from below. Elevated, it crisps on every side. Into the oven for about 30 to 40 minutes. Flip it halfway through. The side facing down needs its own direct exposure to the heat, or it never catches up to the top. Near the end, it's time for the garlic butter. First layer goes on. Be careful here. Garlic tends to burn, so keep an eye on it. Back in for around 5 minutes to set. Second layer goes on after that. Last minute or two under the broiler. Let it rest for 5 minutes before you cut in. Parsley and a few wedges of lemon. That is a nice starting point. Same crackle you heard at the start. Every layer of it, you earn it. What is your go-to side with crispy chicken, rice, potatoes or something else? Drop it in the comments and I will see you next time.